Let me illustrate now how the process functions that forms the primer fields. This is best illustrated by looking at another lab experiment that is carried out with an instrument called the dense plasma focus device. The device is made up of a ring of electrodes that surrounds a hollow electrode at the center. When an electric field is applied, a plasma sheet forms. The plasma sheet is instantly drawn towards the opening of the central electrode and is then drawn into it. By it being drawn into the opening, the plasma becomes extremely pinched together. There, it becomes unstable and begins to twist. At first, the plasma twists itself into a spiral. Then the spiral becomes compacted. The more it becomes compacted, the more unstable the spiral becomes and becomes twisted. Eventually the twisting forms a complex knot. The illustrations are snapshots taken from a video about the dense plasma focus device.